Real quick, y'all, I just want to let y'all know I'm pulling up the stumps, okay? So I'm about on my 5th stump. Alright, I got probably close to 5 more to go after that. What I want to let y'all know is what I'm doing right now with this digging process, because I feel like this is the best process, which I probably already told y'all this. But what I'm doing right now is trying to figure out how far I want to go. So I don't want to be too close to the stump. I want to go out some more, give myself some room to really get in there, because I haven't been having the best luck when it comes to pulling out that stump with my truck and that chain. But I did buy extra chain just in case. So I just really want to dig really good in there, give myself enough room to really get as deep as possible. All right, so that's what I'm about to do, and I'll be back. I just want to get this because it's going to help me when I get home.
Really not all that important. But square it up on the end, put it up a little bit. After this dries on it. And the same process. As much as possible. This is the other.
Do you want the protection plan for this one?
No, sir.